This is my respectful open letter to audio gear companies who make products with batteries that are internal to the product and not intended to be changed by customers. I'm primarily speaking to companies that make wireless microphone systems with non-user replaceable batteries. Here's the problem. The product will either end up in a landfill at some point, or at best have a limited lifetime, planned obsolescence. And for a wireless microphone system that's used every single day, something that's no longer usable after 12 to 24 months is not very acceptable in my mind. And I don't see a valid reason why those batteries need to be built into the products in most cases. There are some exceptions. So there are kind of three main things I think that people say for why product companies do need to put non-user replaceable batteries in their products. Number one, they can make the product smaller. Maybe, maybe not, depends on the product. Two, consumers don't want to deal with replacing batteries or buying proprietary batteries or buying proprietary chargers for their proprietary batteries. Maybe, maybe not. Some wireless transmitters are simply too small to have replaceable batteries, user replaceable batteries. And for something like maybe a Pico mic or a Shure Move mic, maybe that's true. Product companies can do one of the following three things to solve this problem in my mind. Number one, produce products with user replaceable batteries. Really. Many of these products, it is possible. They're big enough and it's possible. It may require a little bit of innovation, I get it, but I also believe that that innovation is worth paying for. I certainly would be willing to pay an additional $35, even $50 to have user replaceable batteries. Number two, if batteries are built in, then also sell kits that include any necessary tools plus the battery to replace the battery. So there are some companies that do this already. Tentacle Sync does this for their Tentacle Track E recorder. They're not a huge company, and so they don't have huge market capitalization, but yet they're still doing this. So if you're using as an excuse, oh, we just don't have presence in other countries, we don't, whatever the excuse may be, it can be done. So that's another option there. And then finally, the third option, if neither of those are acceptable to you as a product company and the batteries are still built in, then at least provide a clearly communicated program for how customers can have the battery replaced. How much will it cost? Will it be covered under warranty? Do they have to ship it somewhere? Just be really crystal clear about this up front. Before the person buys the product, they should know these details so they can make an informed decision. So it shouldn't be something that's buried in the support center part of the website behind an authentication wall. It should be on the product page, maybe under the FAQs or something where people can look at it ahead of time to make an informed decision about whether they want to buy that product and whether the program that is there to replace the batteries will work for them. So, product companies, please start producing products that are more repairable, more sustainable, and offer a reasonable service lifetime. It's the right thing to do. In the meantime, I will not be reviewing any products that don't provide at least one of the three above options that I mentioned here. So if it doesn't have a user replaceable battery or the means to buy a kit to replace the battery or a documented battery replacement program, then I will not review it. So I know that's a problem because a lot of you have asked me to review some products here recently that are in the situation where they don't meet one of those three criteria. I'm sorry. But I just can't advocate for those products. And I think that by all of us working together, we can make the world of audio a better place. Respectfully, Curtis Judd.